Okay. All right. Hmm. So I can do it on evals, but I can't do it on my funded accounts. I would have to definitely change a lot of things. A lot of things I don't even wish to change. I guess I don't have to necessarily trade with Top Step, man. But I got those XFAs though. So, I mean, keep it gangster, dog. Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster, dude. Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster, dog. Keep it gangster. Man, I'm so tired of that, dude. So tired of missing the moves, man. Tired of missing the moves. It does feel like that, dude. It does feel like that. Mm. Hey, what's up, Professor Z? What's up, Alfred? You know what, Alfred, man? You spoke something into existence, man. And you spoke something into existence, and now it's like, man, well, goddamn, now I gotta consider things, man. Now I gotta consider some things. So, I don't know if y'all guys heard about Top Step, but they basically killed gold. They basically killed it. They silver. I guess, but so I was unable. So I guess on like the XFAs, the 50 XFAs. Anyway. So it seems like I can't open up a silver's contract or a silver position on my XFA. And they said that they're going to only limit XFAs, 50K XFAs to only one silver micro. And I'm like, dude, what the fuck, man? That just sucks, man. Why can't they just could have kept it at 2? So that means you can only trade one micro contract on gold, which, dude, that's only $1. Fuck that. Like, dude, they're like, they kill gold. They basically kill gold. Like, they block the minis, and they're only restricting you to one gold micro. They killed that shit, dude. You like if you make 30 points, you're getting $30, dude. That's hell no. No, that's not the correct math. No, that's not the correct math. Yeah, no, that is the correct math. Yeah, 30 points is $30. It's only $1 per tick. You get 100 ticks, you'll get 100. Yo, fuck that. They kill gold, man. Yeah, they Top Step did raise the prices. Tradeovate needs to hurry up and come out with their damn risk settings, man. The real risk settings, the ones where I can set my risk settings and lock it. Now I might have to do the unthinkable. I might have to do the unthinkable. I might have to do the unthinkable. I might have to go back to the NQ. I might have to go back to the NQ. My God, man. I might gotta go back to the NQ. My God, I don't want to. Might have to go back to the freaking NQ, man. I don't want that play, Alfred. I don't want it. I'm a metals trader now. I trade metals. I trade metals now. Yeah, not on Top Step apparently. Yeah. Dude, I don't know, man. That kind of sucks, man. That kind of sucks. Kind of sucks, man. Hold on, guys. Come on. All right, sorry about that. Anyway, oh shit. Now I might have to. I really might have to go back to freaking NQ now. Hmm. Hmm. She's definitely gonna give me that welcome. Oh, Smith is on? Oh shit. Our boy Smith is back. Yeah, what's up, bro?
What up, man?
What up? Hello,
Bro.
ladies.
You said what?
Hello, ladies.
Oh, that's what it sounds like.
Hello, ladies.
You remember who was that wrestler? Hello, ladies, back in the day. I forgot his name.
Rips is live? Rips does. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know he. I thought he ended his streams at this point, but no, yeah, I'm not familiar with that. Who was that? I guess we can ask.
Yeah, I don't remember his name, but and that's what's funny.
Hello, lady.
Yo, so I was looking, so I didn't have all the data. My instinct was to short NQ the open, but I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't because I mean, I could have made 40 points, but it reversed and went up like over 100 points.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't have all the data on BBS, so I was like, you know what? We're not touching it. I need the data.
Did you hear though? Oh, the wrestler
What?
you're talking about is Val Venus.
But yeah, okay, yeah. Hello, ladies.
But did you hear though?
Nah, what happened?
I might have to come back to the NQ, man. I might have to come back. I might have to come back. Top Step basically killed gold, and Silver is on life support. Because
oh yeah. Bro, everybody like banned trading metals due to volatility.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's so whack.
Yeah, it is. It's horrible.
Yeah. That's why you got to get your own personal account, brother.
Well,
All you need is the margin.
I mean, I'm not, dude. You got to like $40,000 to trade silver. Yeah, I'm all right. Shit. It's probably more than that.
Well, let me look and see. So you trying to? Okay, so personal account. I would assume you're gonna trade micro silver.
Mm-hmm. That's not an assumption. That's not an assumption. That's a fact.
Cause you're right. E-mini silver, you probably do require like 30,000 just for one contract. But let me check Tradeovate and see. You only need 1,000, man, for micro silver. It's actually 4,000 for minis. That's crazy.
Is it?
Yeah. To day trade micro silver, you just need 1,000. But I'm mad they raised the gold margin requirements for micros. It used to be 50.
Mm-hmm.
Now they done got cute and put it to 200. And that makes all the difference.
Yeah, my bad, K Trader. Yeah, they're reducing the amount of contracts that you can trade in the XFAs. You can trade however you want, obviously in the evals, but when you get to the XFAs, they're reducing the metals to like one contract. I've only seen the one on the 50Ks. I don't know what they're doing on the 150s and the 100Ks, but now they just basically made their 100Ks not desirable because there is no way. I mean, you can trade a MNQ on a 50K, but that is super dangerous. That is super dangerous, man. You can lose that shit in 50 points. So what are you trading now, Smith?
Well, I'm looking at both NQ and gold right now, basically.
Are you?
Yeah, but when I do these evals, then I'll probably, I don't know, whatever has the best setup. NQ just going on a tear right now. Like I've so serious. Like my impulse was to short, and like I said, I would have made like 40 points, but then it popped up like over 100, and I was like, "What the heck is going on?" But I didn't have my data available, so I was like, "Nah, we not touching it until we get all the facts." And I would have got clapped because I would have held that. I would have been stubborn and held it all the way to 0.
Smith, don't do it. It's going low. No.
It's bugged enough. It's happening. He sold.
He went all in.
It's happening. He sold.
Yep.
He went all in. Up it. That's crazy.
Well, looking at an NQ chart right now. I'm looking at the 5-minute on NQ. I was actually thinking about shorting this thing. I'm not even gonna lie. But when it gets up into that fair value gap at a range between 25.20 and 9.75, I was actually thinking about shorting that. Maybe.
Well,
Maybe.
there is a gamma level 605. It's a negative gamma level that's approaching right now.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to see how it reacts to that. May get a pullback off of that, but I think they might blow through it after the pullback if it pulls back.
Oh my God, no.
Okay.
I was gonna short that.
Oh man, it's right back up. Like
I was gonna short that.
I mean, that would have been a quick short. Nah, it's probably gonna play out.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, there's like a fair value gap, and as much as I kind of hate, but yeah, the fair value gaps actually really work very well on NQ. That 50% fib level, dude. If you're not using that 50% fib level on the NQ, you're missing out. That's actually where a lot of the money is made on NQ. Is you see that impulsive leg and just trading the 50% pullback, or trading the 50% of that pullback. I've seen that work out like too often. I just can't trust it. That shit works.
But you've seen it work.
Yeah. It's called PTSD. That's what it's called.
Nah, I get it. Yeah.
Because you see it work, but then until you use it, and then it don't work no more.
I know, right?
All of a sudden, now it don't want to work. All right, I'm gonna get in at 74 for a short. Let me see, man. Let me see.
Damn.
Oh shit. All right,
Nah, don't short this momentum right now. It just pushed through that gamma.
I'm gonna short that.
Maybe they want to go for.
I think they're gonna probably go for 25. 25K.
think they start selling at 25,
Yeah, I think so.
or maybe front run it. I don't know. I'm just waiting.
If they break that low, I'll get in. I mean,
And
that's the
then I
one
could
thing.
have took the. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
I know I was saying that's the one thing about the NQ. I mean, if it breaks, you can kind of trust it. I mean, that's like a benefit of trading the NQ, but I just shorted the break. Let's see.
Yeah, I was gonna take the gold long.
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to on the retracement because I'm like these retracements. They'll have big retracements, but what I've noticed is they'll go to the 9 EMA, and I was looking on the 30-minute, so it stopped like exactly at the 9 EMA, and then the next following candle opened up on the 9 EMA. I mean, it pushed down slightly to create a bottom wick, but then now it's up almost 40 points. And I'm like, and I was thinking of taking that on the 9 EMA, but I was like, well, let me just see.
Take that.
Just wait and see. Because I don't have, like, again, I didn't have all the data. So I don't want to do nothing impulsive without all the facts.
The NQ facts. Welcome back.
Back. Pull up GLD. This is really nobody really has any orders on Fridays on GLD. Like I don't know if you're able to see it, but I don't see anything.
Oh, what are you talking about on?
That expires today. Yeah. I had to go all the way out to next Friday.
They probably already flipped the contracts already. Nice break of structured trade, baby. We back, baby. We back.
Oh, you caught it?
Yeah. Let's see.
All right. Wait.
Honestly, I really don't know where this thing can go. Look at that beautiful short, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. NASDAQ saying that she's welcoming your boy back, baby. Look at that. Where did we go short at?
Yeah, where did you go short at?
I went short at that break at 958. So it's just running stops at this point.
I'm just gonna hide that because this thing is effing up.
Damn, dude, we up $1,100 just like that on the NQ. What? Oh, baby, damn, baby, relax, relax, bitch. Damn, baby, you got it all, baby. Please relax, relax. Yeah, baby.
Ah, damn it.
Yeah.
Congrats. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, keep on dropping, baby.
I'm happy for you. Mean mugging that.
Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah.
What was I going to pull up?
Trade into these other traders' pain point. They failed to hold that. Just took the break of that shit, man. I didn't think it was gonna do all this though, but yeah. Okay.
Walk it off. It's happening.
So he went all in. Nah, NQ just trying to get me to come back to her. That's all she's doing right now. It's like, please, Sherm, come back. I miss you. Hold on. Hold on. Did I get stopped out? Oh. All right. So I'll probably. All right. So 8:30. So I'll probably get out at that low. It's gonna probably bounce before I get to that low. We'll see. We'll see if it takes that low out. We'll see if it takes it out. We'll see if it takes.
Oh, Alfred said we got news. What news we got today, man? I gotta check this out. Uh, yeah, I'm in no rush today. Yesterday I was able to come in around 11 something and catch my max daily profit in just a couple minutes. Now, when I sent you that video, as price started reversing, I was like, of course it happens while I'm recording the video. And then after I stop recording, it proceeds to go and hit my targets.
You know how that shit go. Yeah, gain weight. They restricted the metals down to I can't trade. So I think what they've done, because I've seen other traders say the same thing in the metals chat, that they're unable to open up a position. And someone posted, I guess, a correspondent saying that they're reducing the contracts to one micro contract per account, which is stupid.
Have you seen the email from Apex?
Yeah,
I saw that mess the other day. Yeah, due to volatility, we're gonna be restricting trading in the following products, and it's all the metals. I'm like, y'all suck. Y'all know anybody run the metals up on you, you're gonna go bankrupt.
Dude, it's like 2K right now, man.
Gain weight. It's been a while. Be back.
Yeah, you need to stay here. Yeah, we gotta tell Smith, man, hey, don't go nowhere.
I've been in the shadows. Trading in the shadows.
Damn, is this the welcome back I'm getting from the NQ? You know, Gold did the same thing when I came back.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
It's like both Gold and NQ was I guess they was listening to that Beyonce song. He said, if I haven't said thank you, I want to make sure I thanked you enough. And boy, hit Gold thank me. And now NASDAQ's doing it.
I should have freaking shorted the 605 gamma. Like,
why didn't you? Oh! Keep on going, baby.
I don't know.
Keep on going. I mean,
because it ran through it initially, and then it
dumped,
rejected it. Yeah.
I mean, there was like a 5-minute fair value gap that I was looking at that even made me even think about this short, because they came back, they filled that fair value gap, and then you said that there was like a 605 gamma level right there, so I was like,
Yeah, that was pretty much confirmation.
So yeah, okay, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Are they gonna bounce? Will they bounce? Okay, so we got these. We got 602, 601, and 600.
Yeah, it looks like they ran through it because it looks like there's a black pool. Black pool.
A dark pool.
A dark pool level right above it. So yeah, it looks like they rejected it right there. Looks like we could see 600.
Almost 3 million in volume, yeah. I mean, we got 601 or 602, 601. We're just flushing 601 now. And then 600. Is the short over?
Nope.
If you get to 600, will the short be over?
It can go much lower, baby. It can get much lower. So low. Like I said, they've killed gold, so I might as well. And dude, they're not gonna bring it back. There's no way that they'll bring that shit back. Um, they're not gonna bring
What?
it back.
The medals?
Yeah, they're not gonna bring it back.
I mean, that's kind of, I don't know. That would turn me off from trading with anybody if you're gonna act foolish
Well, I mean,
just
yeah.
because of
Okay.
volatility.
I
That
mean,
could work in both ways, though. If you get clapped in the volatility, that's more accounts blown. So I don't understand.
I mean, a lot of traders don't really trade silver and gold. I mean, that's like a minority. They can't get away with banning indices, but they can get away with saying no metals because people just go back to the NQ where they make their bread and butter. Because mostly gold traders are at this point are what all. Actually, let me. Let me get out at 795. Get out at 795, and then probably go for the long.
All right, where we at?
There we go, baby. There we go, baby. There we go. Look at that beautiful fill. Man, that was beautiful. Oh my God, that was beautiful. And Q, why are you treating me this way? Why are you treating me this way, Q?
You don't know how to act. You don't know how to act to get his targets filled and stuff. Why are you doing this to me? Leave me alone. Okay. Okay. I missed out on that. That's fine. Let's see what we do here. Approaching 601 gamma. Did it? Hold on. Oh, it actually. Yeah. I'm watching gold too, so if I see something happen, if we get so gold started shorting, what was this, Wednesday? This was pre-market, or this was the Asian session, and we got a supply level at like between 5,030 and 5,040, call it 44.
You in that long? You in the long, babies? You in the long? Did you get the long? Did you get the long? Did you get the long? It killed. You already got my soul, baby. You got it already, baby. You got it. Yeah. Too bad it's not an XFA. I should be making this money in an XFA, dude. Okay. Oh well.
I can't see. Did that wick to 600?
Where did that go to? That went to that range right there.
What would be the next? They did that in pre-market.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
You getting out?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Thank you, please. I should have gotten out. But actually, okay. All right. Okay, say bye, tick. All right. All right, well, probably not anymore.
That mess flush through.
Yeah.
All right, we either flush 600 or bounce here at 600, but it don't look like it's due to bounce. It looks like, and I'm not tagging in. This is way too many points down to be shortened.
Yeah.
So we'll wait.
I think here's a good place to go long. I mean, either this thing's gonna flush or push because you got this is the break and this is the retest of that break. It's right there, so I'm gonna go for a long there. It broke structure. This is the retest of that break, so I'm gonna try out here. I'm gonna try it out. Try it out.
No, I agree. Flush or push, because it's right at 600 on the gamma.
Mm-hmm.
You got to see if it's gonna flush through that or bounce here. Trying to let me see what ES is doing. I mean, it's technically
doing, but you missed the bounce again. Smith was.
It's still trending up. Technically on ES, it hasn't. NQ overshoots.
Yeah. Well,
I'm being patient.
All right, go ahead.
I only got one opportunity, basically, so I got to be extremely patient.
Ooh, what does that mean?
And confident in the move. That means my margin. I have $536 in this account. So I need to be extremely precise.
Well, shit. Let's see if we can find something precise for our boy Smith then, huh? I mean, this is a good area. I mean, it is a good area. Break a structure, break, retest. I mean, this was a good trade. At least it's a good trade so far. I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, am I ready for this again? Am I ready for the thrills, for the adrenaline, for the cortisol?
That cortisol is it's something else. Can we get much higher?
Hold on, again when it says see the YOLO in the metals with Sherm. Back to trading, no breaks, no waiting for confirmation. What are you talking about? I did wait for the confirmation. What are you talking about?
I'll be back.
All right, man. All right.
Hopefully I don't miss nothing.
Yeah.
Ah, damn it. Here we go. I'll be back.
This thing can get much higher, baby. We can get much higher. And see, this is the thing about NQ, man. This is the thing right here about NQ. She can get much higher. But look at these beautiful. Oh my God. Look at these entries on NQ. Should I get a TPT account and trade NQ? I feel like I've gotten better with NQ, huh? That's like what? We had 3 beautiful entries on NQ. 3 of them. Back to back. All over 50 plus points. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that entry. We up $1,300, yo. Oh, damn. NQ, you trying to keep going? There we go, baby. There we go. Keep on going, baby. Yeah. Yeah, keep on going just like that. Yeah. Yo, dude, we basically... I know Brandon Smith right now is probably punching the air. It's like, dude, I should have taken that entry with Sherm. Dude, it literally bounced at the gamma level. It literally bounced at that 600 gamma level. Damn. Hey, Gainwood, are you speaking French to me or something? Is that French? What is Profi take home? What's that? What does that mean in English? What does that mean? But you know what, man? I mean, it is trading up into this range, though. It is trading up into this range. We did see the breaker structure that did break. We did break out. I mean, I don't think it comes back all the way to my stop. I don't think so. But huh. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. All right, man. Okay. All right. That's interesting. That is interesting. That is so interesting. That is interesting. That's interesting. Okay. That is interesting. All right, guys. I guess we found our way back home. Guess we found our way back home. And it's Top Step's fault. So I'm definitely going to send Top Step a bill for sure. Because it looks like we got re-indicted back to the NQ. Looks like we're back. Looks like we're back. Yeah, this is gonna probably flush though. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna reduce my risk here. Back to 270. Probably gonna get stopped out. So I guess we'll see if this area holds. I mean, if it doesn't hold, it's gonna flush right through. No, hold on, guys. Hey. Yeah, go on your That is not done yet. Shit, it's only. You said this is why they banned us on metals. I mean, well, okay. All right, well. I mean, well, okay, well, all right.
Is an elephant heavy? I'm coming back, baby.
What, did you take a short or something?
Nah. I'm still
looking.
I'm still flat. I heard you talking though. Punching the air.
Our boy Smith's punching the air. He should have took that with your boy Sherm. Told you get in long at that break and retest.
I'm good. Let me see. What's looking like? Man,
Okay.
600 is holding up.
Yeah. Yeah. That does a lot.
Dang,
That's gonna
50
hold.
point, 50 point
Mhm.
candles.
Let me see. Just sell one.
This
shit.
might be. I might have to get back in. Let's see if it drops to the 601. One last touch is 601. And then, so that's probably like right here. Oh, my bad. That's minis. What am I doing?
And the old tendencies are trying to kick back in.
I'm like, oh, yeah. Order rejected.
Order rejected.
Ah, that makes sense. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Is it low enough though?
Hold on. What was I just
Point of
using?
control, value area low, value area high.
I was using the 100. Oh yeah, I was using NQ. I was straight NQ.
Damn it. Why put me on GLD? Give me QQQ stat ASAP. Me ASAP. Damn it. Why y'all gotta do me like that? Miss my long. Dang.
There we go, baby. There we go.
You know, SAP.
No. NQ. You were doing the right thing before. I don't know. Actually, I don't even know. Forgot what it was on NQ. Chart data. Dollars. I need to see how much money I'm making on NQ.
Control 797. Points. Damn, it's up 80 points in 5 minutes. What the? Did we get a continuation?
It's kind of hard to tell what this market wants to do right now. I don't know if it wants to go higher or if it wants to go lower. The bears are definitely trying. That's for sure. But the bulls are trying to buy the dip here. I don't know. I guess they could buy this thing. I guess they are buying it, right?
There, or is that too? Should I take 832 or is that too high? Should I wait for it to come back?
Oh, you talking about going long?
Yeah. Because ES looks prepped to continue long. And you know it's going to take NQ with it. But I don't know. No! Come back! Wait for me! No!
Baby, come back.
Yeah, man.
You can blame it all on me. I was wrong.
605.
And I just wanna break even.
I just want to catch an entry. Let me in. Take that. 80 points. And then What is that? That's 842.
Dude, I don't know where this thing can go though.
Whatever happened to the orb?
What's that?
uh,
And Q, don't do that. Don't do that. I took a very aggressive entry, and I expect you to continue to keep going. This is gambling, baby.
damn, another 50 points. Damn.
Ooh, that looks like that.
Damn. All right, gold's still just creeping. Gold's like, so I creep. Creep. Yeah, I'll catch a.
Probably like 9.
See where that is. That is 954.
That's a break. That's a super break. That was a super break. Damn it.
Whoa. What is
Damn.
going on here?
Damn.
What's the deal?
All right. Damn it. Thank you.
It's happening.
Not enough. Episode.
This is your chance. It's happening.
Oh my god. Man, dude, no way, man. No freaking way.
It's happening.
Ah.
All right. 601. It's happening. He bought. He's in profit. What do we do?
Episode. Yeah. Well.
Shoot.
Isn't that something? Isn't that something?
Bogdanov, it's happening. He's in profit. He bought.
You know, that just sucks right there, NQ. What's up, Mohammed? You see, Smith, you've been gone for too long. Everybody's asking how you doing. Everybody thought you was dead. They're gonna send you sending the SWAT team. Everybody thought you was dead. That's why you're not supposed to go nowhere. And we're doing fine.
It's
Mohammed,
happening.
Man. How you doing?
I'm doing great. I've finally caught the long.
Did you?
We in there. Let's see.
Man. I don't know.
20. All right, let's see if we can get that. So that orb high break would be up here. That would be about 100 points for me. And then the TP area is 25, 40. I don't know. We just gonna have to see. Just gonna have to wait and see. But we in there, baby. 1 micro.
I mean, you should be good until like 9:40 at least. I would get out at 9:30, probably 9:20, probably 9:15.
Oh no. Oh no.
Where you in at?
8:20.
I would get out at 9:20. There's a range at between about 9:30 9:40.
Or let's see, that's at 9.
Are we back on the NQ? Are we back?
9:27. 9:27.75. Let's mark that out just to be cognizant of it. 9:27.
I guess I could just do
that. Can't be out at the 6:03. It's happening. Smith, he's back. Oh no. We can't let this happen.
He's gonna win. That's not what we do.
That's not what we do.
We don't want his money. We want to take away his happiness.
Want to take away his happiness too. Come on, NQ, give me them target levels.
Where are you targeting?
That-
Oh, I guess you're not supposed to really tell the NQ.
Yeah, you can tell the NQ. Gotta keep it. Gold is just tiptoeing, man. What happened?
Man, shit. All the prop firm traders can't trade it no more. They can't trade it no more.
That's true. Oh no.
Okay.
Come on, guys. We waiting for that NQ orb high break. What happened to my what is this? Is this supposed to be value area? Oh, that's value area high. Okay. If that's value area high, then probably look to get out around there.
Mohammed,
Just
oh
because-
my bad, go ahead. Finish your thought.
No, I'm talking to myself, really.
Oh man. Well,
So,
I am trading the NQ right now because Top Step killed the metals. They basically killed it with those limiting the contracts bull crap they just pulled. So right now, I guess I'm back with the NQ for at least for right now. At least right now, it does look like the silver market is I mean, it was trading aggressive overnight, but now it seems like it's calming down a lot. Well, gain weight. I mean, I guess the day that he said it, I didn't see you. Damn, okay, so trading the NQ is this easy? Damn, like, you know, honestly, this is kind of what happened when I came to so when I went to CL, I came back to the NQ and I started trading like this. I go back to gold and silver. I'm trading NQ the same way I would trade gold and silver, and for whatever reason, why am I getting better results? Why am I getting these results? Trading the NQ like they're gold and silver. That's gonna break. If it breaks past that, that's gonna break for sure. But I'll leave it there. I'll leave it. Oh shit. That's gonna. I mean, if this thing comes crashing down, we're gonna see a flush. But if it holds, dude, all I did was trade the break and retest here, right here.
It's pushing, man. It's gonna push.
Yeah.
It's gonna push. Not because I'm long and biased that way, but we're gonna push to at least the 605 gamma. I think it was just flirting. Yeah, I think it wants to. Well, it wanted to flirt with the 602, but it kind of got stopped at 603 a little bit, and now we got to go up to 605 now at least to test that again. I got the orb right here with this purple line at 927 ish. I would love to see it break through that, and then. In Q, I'd love to see you break through and give me my target zone area.
Oh yeah, I said like 930, 920. Oh shit, did it hit 920? Ah shit, it did. Okay, let's see. Let me just mark the area out real quick. 930, 940. Let's see. 930, 940. Or like 945. Okay. All right, let's see what it does when it gets in this area.
It's happening. All right, crack the or push. We're not quite at 605 yet, so 25.
Dang, Muhammad, it seems like you're the only person that knows me. Everybody else is talking about take profits. Shit, even if I see $1 trillion, it's like, nah, it can go higher. I can get more.
$1 trillion.
I ain't leaving nothing on the table, damn it. Nothing. Muhammad gets it. Yeah.
I mean, all in all, it's a solid trade so far for me. Solid long. I could get out right here at this orb high, but I feel like it's gonna push.
I don't know, man. I don't know. It may just drop here, bro. I don't know.
Hadn't even made it to 605 yet.
There we go. There goes that drop. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes.
Nope. 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 I don't believe it. Nope. You better get that price back up above there. We ain't even touched 605 yet. Nope. You better not keep going. We're not putting up with this, NQ. ES, do your job. Do your job. Bulls, it's time to get regarded.
The NQ likes to party. And you got to tell her no.
Nah, I want my profit zone.
Bro, you in one contract, right? Just you gonna move your stop and profit at least? Put your stop and profit at least, bro.
Oh, fine. You got me being responsible in this. I'm trailing, but I'm like way down here.
Oh my God.
Dang, you didn't even touch 605 yet. Come on, man.
I mean, we got that range at, like I said, 930, 940. So, I mean, it has to break past that first. And then once it breaks past that, and then we can go back higher. I mean, just look to the left. We had the market consolidate at that area. It broke higher. The bulls failed. It's the origin of that drop. We had another range before it broke structure again. So there's a lot of sell orders in this area. That's why we kind of seeing this. Actually, let me just show it to y'all. So, because I mean, you can't see it on these whack ass Project X charts, but you can definitely see it on my NinjaTrader chart. Where is it at? Yeah, okay, MNQ. So I mean, if you look to the left, you see where there's the orb. You see where the market consolidated right here. It broke structure to the upside. They failed to hold the pullback. They broke structure right here. And this is basically a retest of that high. You have the orb high right here. There's a lot of reasons for the bears to step up here. I mean, we don't know if they're going to be successful or not. I mean, the bulls can push higher for sure, but there's going to be some resistance here. That's why I was like, just look to take profits here, or at least see what happens right there. At least see what happens there. But
What language is this? Is this a new invented language? Pastor Sherm. Pastor Sherm. You represent the house of taking profits?
no, of course not. Of course
What
not.
is Pastor Sherm?
I didn't say anything about taking profits. I said take your TP there. I didn't say anything about taking profits. We take profits at our TPs.
Well, you look on my stream, you'll see my TP. Damn it.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
It's in my zone. And we keeping it there. We need this push.
25, 30.
You just
25, 30?
Or
I mean, 25, 30 is
gosh. Now I gotta move. That's invalid now. Hey yo.
Over here, snitch.
Oh man, I don't like it stalling right here though. We not even at 605 gamma. I might just have to get out right here. I might just have to do it.
I mean, it is trying to push through that order block on you look, it's trying to push it at 603 order block, dark pool level, 604. So just be mindful of that. Well, I might have to put my stop in profit here. This thing's gonna probably come back and stop me out, man. Man, fuck. All right, I'll just put it in profit, man. Just put it in profit. Man, it's gonna, yeah, okay. Yeah, it looks like you're gonna probably get that rejection. Well, we'll see, Because if the bulls, so this is what I would do. The bulls are holding that 24.9 level. So I guess what I would wait for is if the bulls fail and we see that break, I'm shorting that, man. I'm shorting. But we're gonna need to see this thing push higher. But 950, I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put it at 940, 945, because if it does push, that's probably as far as it'll go. Because that's exactly where the market broke structure earlier at that drop at 950. So I'm just gonna put it at 945. Yeah, like right here. You see where the bulls pushed. They tried to buy it off the EMA, and that's where the market broke structure to the downside. So, or actually, no, I'm gonna fill that gap right there. I think that's good right there. That's good. Yeah, right there. Right there. This is probably as far as we go. Yeah, this is the 15-minute orb high too. Yeah, you're right. What are you thinking about right now, Smith?
I was gonna double down, but now it's kind of making me feel a little sketchy right now since it ain't doing nothing right here, but playing around with my emotions. But since you over here giving out the game, now I gotta look for another TP.
Woo! Look at that stop. So Mohammed said 24/7, huh? 24/7. I'll mark that out on the chart. The Mohammed level. 24/7.
What?
He said that that's where the market maker's inventory is at. 24/7. Oh, isn't that cute? 24/7. Isn't that cute? Mark that out on the chart.
What level was that?
24/7.
That's R4 at 2570, and that's like in my 2570.
Actually, what I probably should do is not put a trend line, but a ray. (24/7). Seriously?
Mercy, mercy me, that mercy Longo.
That's me the first year that I blow. How you say broken Spanish? Me no hablo. All right, well, I guess I should have kept my 45 target. See? All right, man. I should have just kept the 45 target. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if I should have just kept the 45 target. You said look at the volume every time it tries to go to that level? Ooh. I'm gonna do some back testing over the weekend, and I'm gonna look at that, Mohammed. Now I gotta probably look at the NQ again. But
let's look at the flow. This is all expiring today. Bro, did I tell you about that degenerate bet?
I think so, but tell me again.
Somebody put in a call, like 3 minutes left in the market. I was like, what? That expired that same day. I was like, are you serious?
Did it hit?
No. 3 minutes left, and you put it was 12K, but it still appeared on the thing, and I was like, what? You just wasted $12,000
of your money.
Like what?
Money, like
yeah.
Bill Murray or whatever his name is, Michael Burry. It wasn't my money I was gambling with; it was your money. What was he looking for?
Man, I have no idea.
Did we have earnings?
It was earnings, but I'm like, you can't close your positions after it closes, right? Or do they allow you to close your options positions?
No, they don't. Or I think what he probably wanted to do was see if it would have expired in the money. I think that's I mean, it's been so long so I'm not necessarily sure. If I would have done that, that's probably would be my assumption. Like, if it's profitable, it would close in profit. Right?
He probably wanted to buy the shares, or get exercised on it. I don't know, at whatever price but I saw that, I was just like, wow, that's crazy. You just got 12K to blow like that, huh?
Yeah, I mean, just like that guy that had the 36 million on the short and lost 4.8 or 4.8 million, and he would have been a bajillionaire if he just would have diamond
He would
handed
just
that
held.
thing.
Yeah. It's like so he was early. You can be early and still be wrong. Well, he was just early, and if he would have waited, yeah, like you said, he would have been a trillionaire if he would have just waited.
Yep.
Because
And
the
that's what's
banks, yeah, because it was, I think, yeah, his liquidation price was 125 on silver. It never made it back up there, but it was at like 113, 112, 114, somewhere around there. So he's probably getting nervous. But yeah, if he would have just held that mess, he'd be a trillionaire.
Yep.
All right, 605 again. We're there. We're there, baby. Can we get much higher? Or do I need to get out here? Okay, first rejection. Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Or is this just, can we an orb test? Orb high test and bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Nope.
Well, I mean, it did retest that breaker structure, so I mean that was kind of obvious. That was kind of obvious. I mean, yeah, it came perfectly back to that area and shorted. Yeah, I mean, that was kind of obvious. That was like, dude, that is a gimme trade. That was a give me trade. Setting a limit right there and just letting that thing play out, that was definitely a gimme. I mean, shit, we talked about it before it happened. That's like what? A 60-point play, almost 50 points. Yes, 50 points to the downside so far. Okay, yeah, all right. So, bro, just put your stop in profit, because if that shit runs 24-9, then that shit's about to flush. Yeah, that's about to flush. And Mohammed, I just looked at my chart, and you know the crazy thing is, that 24/7. Actually, that's exactly the level that I have my fib levels measured off of. So that's pretty insane. Pretty insane, because that 24/7 was the impulse leg, and I just measured that move. Okay, so all right, well, yeah, bro, get out, bro, get out. I mean, it ran that low, so now it's gonna short. It's gonna short now. I would get out of it. I would get out. Yeah, it's gonna short now.
Never trust them, freaking. Never trust these fools to.
Yeah, I appreciate that, Mohammed. Dude, do I need to trade metal? Like, dude, why is it that every time I come back to the NQ after trading a commodity, all of a sudden now the NQ makes sense? And it's like, huh, look at all this easy money I could have been making. Instead of just trading the NQ like a madman, trade her like she's one of the commodities, and all of a sudden we're making easy money now, huh? Investors, he said he ain't trying to hear that. Hey, you say you only trade the NQ?
603.
All of a sudden now, it's like I see the market now and it's working. I think this is just the welcome back tour. I don't know if NQ is gonna go back to doing what she was doing before. Well, all right. So it does look like it's gonna. Bounce though. Oh no. If we break 860, if we break this, if we break 860, because that's where that other low is. right there. So if we break that, I mean, then this thing's gonna go lower. Smith, you're already out of this, right? You're out, right? And
Yeah,
okay.
sure. Sure.
All I had to do was look over at the stream. Yeah, you're out, bro. Hey, don't do it, man. Hey, don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It double topped at that high. Just think about it, man.
Yeah, it did.
It double topped at that high, and then it broke structure to the downside. So even if it does go higher, the bears are still going to try to sell the retest. If it breaks this low at 860, it's going lower. Just put your stop above your break even, man. Don't lose money, bro. Do it. Hey, I'm just gonna send the SWAT team. I'm calling the SWAT team right now.
Call him.
We have a trainer on too. He's on too. Move. We have an account to save. It's a personal. Bro, stop out, man.
Move. That's so trash, man. All right. VWAP right there on the books. 60-point drop on that candle.
Man, this thing can keep going down. Dude, we've made so much money on NQ
crazy
today, dude. It's freaking ridiculous how much money we made. It's freaking crazy. It's crazy how much money we made on NQ today. NQ's trying to tell your boy to come back. See what you've been missing, baby? See, I've been to therapy. I've changed. There we go, baby. Smith, why you ain't getting in the short with me, man? Why did you fight it?
Damn, man. Because since when do double tops on NQ play out?
All the time.
What? They hadn't played out like that in so long. That's crazy.
Okay. Well, is that your okay? It touched your break even. If you're going to stay in this, man, just reduce your stop, man. Don't get too crazy, man. Because like I said, even if it bounces, they're going to sell the retest of something. They're gonna sell the retest of probably that range right here. You got that range that it just formed. They're gonna probably come back and sell that.
I'm looking for the next long. I ain't even
looking for shorts.
Yeah. 24. Although I do like a good short because it's just so almost instantaneous.
Yeah, John, I'm pretty. Yeah, everybody. Shit, dude, you're not going to make money with a 1 micro gold position. So all the NQ traders that went to gold are gonna are coming back to the NQ. Thanks, Top Step. Thanks for killing everybody's dream of trading gold and silver.
I know one thing. This thing better keep going down.
Well,
I know it's not doing what I think it's doing. Oh,
welcome back. No. Let's see what it does at this range first. Let's see what it does.
No, it's not doing what I think it's doing.
Let's see what it does at this range first.
That's diabolical. So you saying short this retest?
No, I'm not saying that at all.
I said no.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying
I know I didn't just. Oh my god. Who does that? 80-point drop followed by a 50 push? What?
Hold on, no, it didn't even touch. Hold on, did it touch your break even? Did you get out of it?
It did. It touched exactly at my break even to the tick.
Well, I guess I'm looking at
Wow.
the NQ, the full NQ, and it missed your break even. You said 820 was your entry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't even get back to
What?
820. It got to
On record.
821, then it bounced. Actually, no, I lied. Never
Oh,
mind. It's 1975.
wow.
It's
That's
crazy.
crazy.
No, what's crazy is that I randomly got into NQ and it magically came back to my break even and touched it and rejected. That's what's crazy.
Oh man. That one hurt, NQ. That was unnecessary. Oh man. Look at this candle. Like 81 point drop followed by a 50 point recovery. That's all right.
Pay attention to
You
what they
think
do.
I learned my
Go ahead.
You think I learned my lesson because it tapped 605 gamma and then dropped from there.
Oh, it touched your level? Oh, shit, I didn't even notice that. It did touch it. Why didn't you get out?
Because I thought it was going to flush it or push it. Same problem I had the other day. And I know better. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my goodness. 65 points. If it eats that 80 point drop, I will be pissed.
We'll see what happens here, dude. Like I said, let's see what happens here. If it breaks below this what is that? If it breaks below that low right there, we could see a flush. I'm probably add to the position actually. Could see a flush if it breaks. It breaks that.
My bad, Ruck Kid. I was in at what was it, 24, 820.
All right, so there's a range right here. There's a range right there. All right, I'm selling around I'm gonna sell it at the 50% of that range. I'm gonna sell it at the 50% of that range right there. So I'm gonna go short at 913. 913. That's where I'm going short at. 913. Or probably like.
Oh, that's insane.
Yeah, 912.50. All right, we'll see.
If we're looking at that,
You too, Tony Gold. You too, man. Have a good weekend.
603.
Yeah, Investor Z. I don't know so Top Step reduced the amount of contracts that you can trade on. Well, they full out banned all the mini size, so you can't trade GC, SI, HG, platinum, all the precious metals. You can't even trade the minis, and so I couldn't even open a trade even with one contract in my XFA. So I just locked it up. I locked it up because I can't trade anything else. I already got NQ blocked on that. So even if I wanted to trade NQ, I couldn't. So I just locked it up until next week. And they said, I've seen some correspondent from Top Step saying that on Sunday they'll fix it to where you can only trade one micro contract in gold and silver and the precious metals, which you can get away with that on silver, even though it sucks. I feel like 2 contracts is fair on micro silver, man. And my strategy revolves around 2 contracts, so that kind of sucks. But You need at least 5 contracts on gold for it to even make sense on micro gold. At least 5. You can make money with one, but well, actually, no, you can't. I mean, shit, if you get a 30-point move, all you make is $30, and that's not even fair. That's not even worth your time. Okay. It's not even worth your time. Or at least I would assume it wouldn't be worth your time. I guess I should say it that way, right? Okay.
I mean, I made 100 points on micro gold on one contract, and that was bread and butter, baby.
Was it worth your time?
$1,000. I mean, it took like 3 hours to do, but once it gets steamrolling, it was on a short. So once it started steamrolling down, yeah, it's game over.
Oh man. Okay, well, the Bears suck. I should have known. Bears suck. I should have known. Of course they're not gonna short the retest or nothing. I should have known. Hold on, 30 points? Because I know, hold on, is it 30 points or 30 ticks? 30 points or 30 ticks? I think 30 points is 300. I have to take that back. I was doing the math wrong. 30 points is 300 because I was thinking I got my ticks and my points mixed up. So let me correct myself. 30 ticks is $30. 30 points is $300. I think in terms of ticks with gold, and that's what I was thinking about. So I was like, for whatever reason, I was stewing on that all day. I was like, did I just say that wrong? And I was like, yeah, I did say that wrong. I did. It's 30 ticks, not 30 points. 300 ticks, it would be $300. But just imagine if he caught 100 points on a freaking mini.
I know, right? What was that, $10,000?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Well, Smith, I guess the NQ gave you the good old welcome back tour.
Huh. I mean, don't get it twisted. I'm back long. I'm like, nah, you're not gonna get me. Or you got me the first time. I only made $19 on that trade. After being up 200 and whatever I was up. But I should have, that's like I said, that's on me. It's like I know better, but I don't know. In the moment, it's
hard. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
you get grabbed.
Like you don't expect that. You don't expect that mess dropped all the way to my break even, and then like literally exactly to the break even, and then it bounced right back up.
Yeah, dude.
Like that's insane.
That's crazy, yo. It's like it knew that your entry was there.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, you want to see me make him fold? I bet he'll close. But
Bogdanov. That was a true Bogdanov moment.
It was, dude. It's happening.
Yeah.
He panics, dude. He panics so.
Yeah.
Dump it.
Wow, 66 points, 62 points. That's wild. It's struggling at the 605 though. Shoot. Don't struggle here. Push.
We could see some at 25K. I mean, we could see something at 25. think I'll put it right there.
Just get to my target area. Sure, I'm giving out the juice. I gotta we gotta reach for the stars now. Reach for the star. But just imagine if I kept my break even, man.
Well, I mean, this is what, like I said, this is a Bogdanov moment, man. It worked this time. Yep. Dude, it worked this time. Dude, there's no way the market should have recovered like that after a massive drop. Like, dude, that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy.
It is. It is.
It's one of those moments where it's like, it only worked because you were being a responsible trader. If you were being stubborn the way that you were originally were going to be, that shit would have just kept on going down until it got you. Until you heard that ding. It's like, oh, we heard the ding, and then it'll go freaking reverse.
Hey, why is this showing? Oh, because I kept it down there. That's right. I'm tripping.
Investor Z, how does that initial balance thing on the NQ? How accurate is the initial balance on NQ? I see a lot of people talk about it, but because it's, how is it? Oh, I should have kept my original short at 9.95. Wow. Dang. I guess I should have kept my original short right here at 9.95. Wow. Okay. I just chose 9.95 because that's the level that NQ always like to reject. They always like to reject 5 or 4 points away from that 100 level. Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't know I was right. Regret.
Regret. Yeah, that was an epic recovery.
Crazy recovery. And that's why
100 plus whatever points. Let me measure that, see how many points it recovered.
So which side would you rather have been on? Somebody that was gambling right now is probably thinking the market gods right now after offering their first child as a sacrifice. Because, dude, somebody literally sold their soul for this. Because somebody was probably thinking like, oh man, I'm about to blow the account. Oh well, it was a fun run. And then all of a sudden this thing just completely reverses 180. And now they have to offer up their firstborn because that was a crazy reverse.
Yeah.
So all the people that was short and they didn't take profits, they lost all that money, and you already know how that shit go. If you're short like this, you didn't take profits, you're going to try to scale into it to try to get back that number that you saw before the reversal happened. So a lot of bears got hurt in this move right here. A lot of bears got hurt.
Now it's, and get this on Black Box Stocks, now it's over the 605. So even though, like I said, I told myself verbally, it doesn't break out the first time. Like I told myself that, especially after the other day, what happened when I was looking for 600 and it just barely missed it, tapped it, and then bounced from there. So I told myself verbally, it doesn't break out the first time. It'll either touch it and drop or just miss it and drop, or whichever direction you're looking for. And yeah, it did exactly that. Another perfect example, which I should have got out, took the profits the first time, but you know how that go. Matter of fact, I think we're at that dark pool area again. $3 million in volume almost. And now they came in writing puts below the bid.
Oh, you're looking at the flow too. Oh shit, I forgot about that. It's been so long, I don't even look at the flow no more. Oh, I trade silver now, so I don't have to. The flow is just basically.
'Cause, 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 'cause
Let me see.
Yeah. Below the bid, at the bid,
Oh yeah.
601. That might be protection. Sweeps. Muhammad, market maker. Where you where you at on your books? Are they writing protection? Oh man.
Yeah.
Or can we get much higher? I don't see any like really big gamma levels up above this, above 605.
Yeah, I think that's like yeah. Yeah, I don't see any either.
607.
Well, I guess this is back to NASDAQ Anonymous now. Shit. All right. It's like it's back.
The switch up is crazy. I mean, hey, you go where the movement is.
Yeah.
You don't want to be stuck in nothing stagnant that's barely moving.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even look at Bookmap, Alfred.
It's been so long that
Said-
I don't even look at Bookmap anymore. Crazy.
Said his orders stacked at 25,100. I would love that right now. I would love that level. That would be awesome, actually. I was looking at 20. I can't say out loud. You just have to look at the stream if you wanna know. Can't say it out loud.
Stop snitching.
All right, but if I do take it up there, that'll be. Dang, man.
Yeah.
It seems like it's so.
I guess let me share this. So like I said, if you haven't frequent the metals chat over at Top Step, it's hilarious. It's like indices chat now. And everybody's going off on their conspiracies. They're just trying to force people back to the NQ because people blow their accounts on NQ.
That's true.
It is true though.
That's an accurate. Shoot. I need to delete that other. Can I go in here and delete it? This mess don't be loading.
What are you talking about?
Okay, here it is. These community indicators.
Woo!
Is that in my favor? Did I just hear something in my favor?
What would you hear?
Position drawn to on the flow.
Oh yeah, I forgot that the
20.
dude. How do you trade with the sound on, dude? That's so crazy. How do you trade with that on?
What, the tick strike?
Just the sound in general.
I mean, it audibly lets me know what's going on. Like if I'm away from my computer or whatever, and then I hear something crazy like that, then that lets me rush back to my computer. Like, oh, what just happened? So it's just an audio cue to let me know, hey, there's something going on. Where we at on the
So if I trade NQ like I trade the metals. And I'm trading NQ. I'm not trading micro NQ. I'm just going to go in with one micro or one contract, and I'm just going to only go in with one contract.
NQ, I can't take no heartbreak again, so I don't need another 80+ point drop.
If it breaks this level at 980, that's exactly what we're going to probably get. If it breaks that low, we're going to go down lower. Because this is a trend line right here. Oh my God. Am I seeing the structure on NQ? We got a trend line, bro. What's happening? Yeah. You said NQ has a pivot there. Where's the pivot at on your chart, Cave Trader? Yeah, dude. That's why I turn off all my sound. When I play Call of Duty, I turn off all the sound on Call of Duty too. I mean, it's been a while since I played Call of Duty though, but like I can't stand the constant shooting and explosions and the people talking. I just play on mute. Just snipe people. I need complete silence when I'm sniping. Pop, pop, pop. Oh yeah, me and Smith. Tell him, Smith, who was always on top? Snipe, 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 snipe.
Hey yo.
Oh.
Hold on now. What are we talking about? Yeah, I haven't played Call of Duty in a minute though. So I'm probably super duper trash at it right now. I just stopped playing. It just got to the point where it's like,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's not. It wasn't fun to me anymore.
Yeah, I stopped playing too, man.
Man.
I mean, guys, context. We're talking about the top of the leaderboards, man. Come on, man. God.
Yeah, go on. Hey, all I had to do was say, "Hey, yo."
I wasn't even thinking about that like that. I was like, man, I'm always on the top of the leaderboards. I got to put that part in. We were talking about Call of Duty, like God.
Context. Hey, some people don't use the context clues, man.
Why, dude? We're talking about Call of Duty. What else am I talking about?
Just the way
it should be there.
The way you said it though, it's immediately. I was like, "Hey, yo." And then he said, "Bang, bang." Oh shoot, y'all are funny. Y'all are hilarious.
Yes, Santiago, they did raise their prices on the new accounts with no activation fee. They raised their prices on the back to funded prices too. So Top Step, are these medals really hurting you? I mean, show us on the doll where these medals are touching you right now, because dude, they raised the prices and that shit came out of nowhere. Out of freaking nowhere. Can you get 40% in 3 days? I thought 40% was at least a 4-day. Oh, well, I thought 40% was you had to at least trade 4 days. Because I remember 30% you had to at least trade. Oh, hold on.
Oh man. Oh shoot. What are we doing here? Let me look at the book. All right, we in there.
Whoa.
We in there, baby. We in there. Let's just get to that next big gamma at 609. 609 gamma. Where would that put me at? Probably a little bit closer to 100, actually. Let's see. All right, as of right now, I'm making at least $100 on this with my stop trailing like 1,000 points. That's sad. You got to trail such a huge gap on NQ because it could
Yeah.
definitely reverse and come back. All right, we almost at 607. Maybe a short change 100.
Okay. All right. Okay. I got everything. Dude, this is crazy how I have everything set up right
134.
now. All right, so it looks like we could potentially have a silver play about to set up. Dang, silver. I mean, what happened? Yo, dude,
This shit could drop here.
maybe game weight was. I mean, I'm not saying that game weight was wrong, but man, now that they've restricted metals in the prop firm accounts, the metals are slowing down. Like, dude, the metals are slowed down. What's 73, 875?
I noticed that too. Yeah.
Silver is not moving. Man, do I got to go back to NQ for real? God damn, I got to go back to NQ. Damn it. All right. All right, so we could see a silver play about to set up. So let's go to silver real quick.
All right, where are we at on the book? 606.41. We got 607 coming up here soon. If it can push through that, then we got 608. It could. And then we got that pivot.
Oh shit!
Pivot
Even on the
coming
practice
on.
account.
R4. So what I don't want to see this drop back to like the orb area, but it could do that. But I'd hate to see it.
They actually
hate to
blocked it on
see
the practice accounts too. You can't even trade silver on the practice account. Wow.
Now that's crazy.
Okay. Wow.
Should I lock this in? I think I'm gonna lock it in. He's out. Pump it. Continue in his direction. Make him chase. Make him chase it.
Nah, make him watch it. Make him watch. Let's see.
I would already been done if I freaking took profit the first time and then got back in.
Yeah. It's usually how it goes for whatever reason.
I'm done for the day. Here we go.
Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that off there. All right, because I wanted to lock in something. 222.
Yeah, they are. He said, Muhammad said that people, silver slowing down, people got clapped. Shit, I mean, you have every reason to be afraid of silver in a personal account. Every reason to be. Because all your hard-earned money can be gone literally like that. Damn it.
All right. So far, I'm up 220 on the day.
All right, well.
I'm not taking any shorts on this because it's still trending up. So,
Well, it could bounce
I was
at
gonna.
970. We could see a bounce at 970. Probably like there. Could see a bounce at 971. I'll probably put it at 972 just in case.
I gotta look for where to enter long at again. Does it stop at 605 again? 605 has been key, so it could drop to that point. Which would be probably right around here, actually. 962. You saying 970?
Yeah.
That kind of matches. But then you got the orb high that it could drop down to, to kind of test.
I mean, the reason, the main reason why, because you already know how I go with the 50% of the range. You already go to know. It's the 50% of that range that that broke structure to the downside first time. We'll see. Maybe I already hit it.
Looks like it didn't want to do that, but yeah, I don't want to take any shorts on this.
Santiago says 890.75. 24 890.75. And is that like a 50 for you? 25 890. Am I tripping? 890. Oh, dude, I'm tripping. I was like, dude, where the hell is it at? Dude, that's all the way down here. All right, 90, 75, 24, 890. Okay, I see what you see. I see this. It's like a decent, like a lower range right there.
Well played, NQ. Well played. Got me out of my position early. Well played.
Bogdanov, it's happening. My God, NQ. This is the foolishness that I left the NQ for. I thought you got therapy, baby. I thought you went and got the help that you needed. But it's apparent that you didn't. You're still doing the same old shit. All right.
Been keeping an eye on gold. It's just been so dreadfully slow.
Yeah. All right. Actually, how many ticks am I risking per trade? This is only $270, and that's actually pretty decent. That's pretty decent. Let me see how many ticks I'm risking. On one NASDAQ contract, $270 a trade. I'm only risking 54 ticks. That's pretty good. That's kind of all you need, in my opinion, if you're getting in at the right spot. 54 ticks. I'm gonna use the Mohammed method. If I don't see the reaction at my level, I'm getting out immediately. No need to take the drawdown, just take the quick loss. And if it comes back to your level and you see the reaction that you're looking for, just get back in at that level instead of taking the drawdown. Funny Ghost says shit. Yeah, dude, man. Yeah, dude. The Nasdaq is if I come back to the Nasdaq, I'm a but like I said, Nasdaq has been like if I trade the Nasdaq the same way I trade the metals, it seems like I'm getting the response that I'm looking for with that. Oh snap. Okay, guys. Well, I'm ending my stream. I'm out of time for the session. Smith, are you gonna still stream or?
Yeah, I'm still in here looking for whatever I can find.
Okay. Well, I just dropped a link to Smith's stream. I'm pretty sure y'all guys already know how to get there, but you know.
I should probably call it though.
You know,
You
honestly,
know how it is with that.
Oh, go ahead, my bad.
That one last trade I'm looking for, that ended up being a loser.
You know how that shit go. And then I appreciate that, Muhammad. But okay, guys, yeah, I gotta go. I appreciate everybody that joined me this week. We'll definitely come back Sunday night, and I guess we'll be trading the NQ. So with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend, and keep on jabbing.